An X-ray is one of the most frequently used tools in hospitals today. It was created in 1895 by a German physicist. His name was W.C. Roget.
He was working with tubes similar to the fluorescent light bulb. He evacuated the tube of all air and filled it with the special gas and passed a high electric voltage through it. The tube then produced a fluorescent glow. Rogen shielded the tube with a heavy black paper and found that green-colored fluorescent light could be seen coming from a screen set a few feet away from the tube. He also found that the new ray could pass through most substances, casting shadows off a solid object on pieces of film. He named the new ray X-ray because in mathematics, X is used to indicate the unknown quantity.
In the electromagnetic spectrum, the waves to the left have a shorter wavelength and a higher frequency and energy.
Are you starting? Okay. Inside the machine is an X-ray tube. An electron gun inside the tube shoots high-energy electrons at a target made of heavy atoms such as tungsten. X-rays come out because of an atomic processes induced by the energetic electrons shot at the target. This is an illustration of how it works.
Like I said, the most frequently used tool in hospitals is X-rays, but there's different types of X-rays, which is one of them is a CAT scan. It's a X-ray that gives a clear picture of inside of your body, and specializes on soft tissues that do not appear in ordinary X-rays.
Arthrography is an injection of a contrast medium into a joint, followed by a standard X-ray, CAT scan, or MRI. This helps us see problems in a tendon, ligament, or a loose joint.
There's also discographies. They're very useful tools for showing disc abnormalities.
Fluoroscopy. This uses X-rays to image internal body organs while in motion. You can use it for pain management and to know where to inject stuff in a joint.
Another type of X-ray is a DEXA scan. It stands for Dual Energy X-ray Absorptiometry. It measures the bone mineral density.
Angiography. This is a contrast material that is injected into one of the arteries of the heart. This helps detect obstruction in the coronary arteries. A symptom would be chest pain.
There's also barium X-rays. They create a picture of your intestines.
In upper GI is a fluoroscopy/X-ray that is performed after a patient consumes barium, which is what you just mentioned. This helps in diagnosing conditions that cause esophagus or abdominal pain.
There's also barium enema. This is a special X-ray for large intestines, including the colon.
Intravenous philography. This is a contrast medium to help detect conditions such as kidney stones, bladder cancer, and prostate enlargement.
There's also
I didn't laugh at you. Keep going, keep going.
mammography. It's used to diagnose and locate tumors around the breast area. The potential benefits of an X-ray is that it takes no time. You can get it that same day. It's painless and non-invasive. It doesn't require any special preparation, and it doesn't require recovery time.
Although there's many advantages, there's also several disadvantages. An effect would be radiation sickness. An X-ray forms an ionizing radiation. An ion electrical charge can lead to unnatural chemical reactions inside cells. It can also break down DNA chains. A cell with a broken DNA strand will either die or develop mutation. If it mutates, it can become cancerous. And if a woman is pregnant or a guy's sperm is exposed, it can cause birth defects.
Any questions?
Ask Ramirez.